Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your location on your Instagram account. All right, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for Account Type or Tools. If you can't find it, use the search bar at the top. Now, switch your account to a business or professional account. This step is necessary because only business accounts can add or edit public location information. Once you've switched to a business account, return to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Public Business Information section and tap Contact Options. Then tap Business Address. Here, you can search for and select a new city or region. Type it in the search bar and select it. After choosing the new location, tap Done in the top right corner. Then press Save. To make the location visible, ensure the Display Contact Info toggle is turned on. This will show the updated location on your public profile. Return to your profile to check the change. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page. Your new region should now be updated and visible. So, that's basically how you can change your location on your Instagram account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.